So I asked you guys if you wanted to see a sweet potato toast video, and I rounded up my 5 favorites. So we're starting off by making the sweet potato toast. I'm slicing my sweet potato. A few of you guys said you had trouble slicing it. I would suggest sharpening your knife so that you can cut all the way through, because I've never had a trouble with it. Then you just bake them at 400 for 25 minutes. So the first variety we're making is egg avocado, which is probably the one I make the most. I'm boiling some water with a tablespoon of vinegar, and then I'm going to be poaching an egg. The vinegar really helps the egg to kind of hold together. And then I'm slicing half an avocado. Avocado is full of healthy fats, and healthy fats really help to satiate you and turn off hunger hormones and make you feel full. Some everything bagel seasoning, and I will leave a DIY recipe in the description box. I'm putting the poached egg on top, which has protein and help keeps you full. Next up, we're making a berry chocolate, which is more of a dessert one. I'm taking a tablespoon of cacao along with a teaspoon of coconut oil and mixing that together to kind of make like a paleo chocolate. And then I'm scooping that chocolate onto a quarter or about a half of the sweet potato. You can do the whole slice, but I wanted to make it really pretty. And then you leave that to harden in the fridge while you slice your strawberries, or any kind of berry will work here: raspberry, blueberry, blackberry. And then once it's hard, after about 5 minutes, you can just top it with your berries, and then you have this wonderfully like chocolate strawberry, but it's more satiating with the complex carbs, and it's honestly just tastes delicious. The next one we're making is a cucumber hummus one. So I'm starting off by slicing up some ribbons of cucumber, which is really refreshing, and putting that on top of some hummus that I spread on top of the sweet potato. This makes a really good snack, and I really like slicing the cucumber like ribbons because it makes it really easy to eat. And then I'm putting on some pumpkin seeds, which are loaded with zinc and are great for your immune system. Next up, we're making ABC toast, which is what I call it, which is almond butter, banana, and coconut. So I'm slicing my banana really thin so that we get the sweetness of the banana, but we don't have like a bad ratio of it. I find slicing it thin really works well. I'm putting some almond butter and then some cinnamon to help balance blood sugar, and layering the banana slices on top. And you can also use any kind of nut or seed butter here. And then I'm adding on a little bit of coconut for the ABC part of it. Next up, we're making a chicken salad variety. You guys saw me make this chicken salad in the healthy lunches video a couple videos back, but I also like loading it on sweet potato toast. So I take some leftover chicken, a little bit of avocado mayo, and some ground ginger, which is great for digestion, and some fresh parsley from my herb garden. You can use any kind of fresh herb here, and then I just scoop it on the top, and it makes a really easy to eat toast. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and my ideas for sweet potato toast. I'm obsessed with them. I always keep them on hand to build little creations, and all of these are super delicious. So I hope this video gave you some inspiration. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.